traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 10th of September 2020 and time is 9:31 am. Now let us come on to our watch list. So traders, as usual, we are having Bank Nifty futures chart in our watch list, and today also we are having ICI Bank and HDFC. So we will be waiting for any opportunity to trade in them, and when I'll get any opportunity I'll update you. And also traders, let me tell you that since today is Thursday, there are chances of a market to go or stay in sideways. So let's see what happens, and when I'll get any opportunity I'll update you. Traders, so as you can see here, I have placed the order with 50 quantities. It was a limit order, a stop limit order. Now let me tell you the logic behind my trade. So first time in a trend line here, it gave a breakout, and after the breakout the retracement came, and at the retracement I placed my order. So this is our target, traders, and this is our stop loss. And also our risk reward ratio is also pretty good, that is 1.19. so we'll wait for our target or stop loss to get triggered, and when it will hit any of them I'll update you. So traders, as you can see here, after placing our order, the Bank Nifty gained a good momentum, and it is now coming towards our target. Let's wait for it. Traders, and also you can see the most of the time the target which we places, it remains untouched, or we can say it just remains a few points away from our target. As you can see here, just few points away it started coming downwards, but no problem, since our target is fixed, we are not going to change our target. We will either make our stop loss get triggered or our target. So traders, when it will hit I'll update you. So traders, you can see here our target was triggered, it is executed. Okay traders, so as I have already told you the logic behind my trade, let me explain you one more time. That first time in a trend line here, it gave a breakout, then it came back for retracement. Here I placed my order, and here was a target. Simple trading setup, and it just took, you can see here, some 5 to 6 minutes to complete our trade. Now let us come on to our profit calculation. So let us calculate our today's profit. Traders, you can see today's trade was completed in just few minutes, and most of the time I need these types of trade, but it's not easy to get this kind of trade. So let us calculate our profit. So our target points were 48.55, and since our stop loss was small, so our quantities were 50. So 50 quantities, our today's profit is 2,427 rupees. Okay traders, so hope you enjoyed the video and gained some knowledge from this. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.